Trump tax cuts haven't excited the market so far. The copper price has fallen. Local retailers have hit back against Amazon. And a telco, TPG, actually has a brighter outlook. I'm Peter Switzer.
I'm Paul Rickard.
And we're mad about money. All right, Paul, why haven't the Trump tax cuts excited the market?
Well, I'm not sure they haven't excited the market, Peter, but it is a case of buy the rumour, sell the fact.
Yeah.
And I think what that is the old adage in markets. Market went up ahead of all the work on the tax plan. Finally, they get the tax plans look like they're going to go through the Senate. The market says, "Oh, that's a bit over." Goes back to sleep again. Yeah. Look, a bit of profit taking. I mean, look, I think the US market probably still into Christmas, given the need for a lot of fund managers to show they've got the right stocks. I still think that we'll probably see a bit of a Santa Claus rally, but 3 down days in the S&P 500, I think the first time since August. So it's just a bit of softness, maybe profit taking.
And a lot of the fund managers in America have made a lot of money, up about 28%. Why wouldn't they be taking profit?
Sure, and we've still got to get through the potential government shutdown. That's got to be sorted out this week. So there's still a bit of uncertainty around the whole legislative process.
And the total tax package isn't completely sorted. The House and the Senate are still horse wrangling.
Yeah, they're now under formal negotiations. I think my expectations is everyone will get there, but a bit to go through the shutdown, and also there's a key, effectively a by-election in Alabama next week that the market for a Senate vacancy that the market's looking anxiously at.
Yeah, unfortunately, a US politician will win that one.
Yeah.
All right, Paul, let's just quickly, copper price down, you know why?
Look, no, I mean, copper has done really well the last 12 months. It's been well above $3 a pound, off about 4% last night. That'll have a bit of an impact on our market. So, look, I mean, we also had the RBA yesterday, retail sales, probably a good segue into the retail market.
Yeah,
RBA
good.
Maybe a little bit more bullish. It's hard, different interpretations about what the RBA said yesterday.
Yeah.
But retail sales up 0.5%. Look, ABS figures, you just can't trust them, right?
They're right, Paul. When they're good, they're right.
They're good.
But the best part about this is that retailers like Harvey Norman and JB Hi-Fi stuck it to Amazon.
Yeah, the short sellers got squeezed. Classic short squeeze yesterday, up 6.5% in both those stocks. Look, the Amazon, look, again, buy the rumour, sell the fact in this case. The reverse, sell the rumour, buy the fact. Of course, when Amazon finally arrived, look, it's okay, but it's nothing particularly flash. The delivery's not that flash. The prices are a bit mixed. Some are cheaper, some are more expensive. Yeah. The reviews are saying, "Oh, well, it's a bit of a yawn." Yeah.
And the thing is, it's going to take them time to really establish themselves.
They will get it sorted out, no doubt about it, right? But it's not the killer proposition up front, and the retailers have been so overbeaten. So short sellers get squeezed. I'm going to write about that. Great to see the short sellers getting nailed.
And Jerry's gloating, isn't he?
Jerry will be gloating this morning.
Okay, let's talk about TPG. Like, telcos seldom have a good story nowadays.
Yeah, I mean, TPG's has bounced back. I mean, it's been in one of my portfolios, probably the pick of the telcos this year. It's got its AGM today. It's reconfirmed its guidance for it has a July balance date, so it's sort of 4 months into the year. Yeah. Of EBITDA between $800 and $815 million. It says it's travelling pretty well, which is, I guess, slightly positive to say that we're actually, guidance is okay and we're actually travelling okay. So the market will probably like that. Interesting with Telstra up the last couple of days following a report from Macquarie. Is it time to go along the telco sector? I don't know yet. I mean, I think that's one of the big calls for 2018, Peter, is whether, 2 horrific years, both 2016 and 2017, devastating for the telecommunication stocks. Yeah. Is that going to change in 2018? Maybe.
No. But the banks have been belted
Banks is
up.
the one I think you've got to watch. I think banks are going to be good value, but they're seeing, to quote someone else, a little bit terrorised at the moment by the Royal Commission. That's
30% of the market financials are,
and that softness for me is why we're struggling to get back through 6,000, because the banks aren't helping. They're off. They're off in November. They're off a little bit in December already. I think there's going to be some value there. I mean, ANZ's back down to where it was 12 months ago, and it's a much cleaner outfit.
And there's the retail numbers and the business investment figures and the fact that wages are starting to rise. 2008 is going to be a good year for the economy, and banks will benefit from a good year in the economy.
No bad debts, no pressure on margins. So I think, look, we've got to, the Royal Commission, this could again be the case the market just gets tired of it, but at the moment there's a bit of nervousness about it. But look, this will go on for years, even though it's been given a 12-month time frame. It'll take a couple of years.
As I always say, the best way of getting even with banks that are screwing you is to buy their shares. Buy their shares.
That's how you can make money, right?
Well, I'm Peter Switzer.
I'm Paul Rickard.
And we're mad about money.